Hello traders and welcome back to another video here on the Learn to Trade channel. Today we're going to talk about gold, and gold open this weekend was very strong in my opinion. If we go to the 50-minute chart, I'll show you how gold opened. We opened at around the 1847.80 level, and we have been trading upwards ever since. There was a big spike in or a big surge in buyers at the open, and then we pulled back, but we are still trading inside of a short-term bullish structure, right? With the daily highs being, of course, the spike high at around the 1872.16 and the lows at the open. Right, having said that, let's go to the 3-hour chart, 4-hour chart. It's the same. We're going to do the 3-hour chart, and we are still trading inside of a bullish structure. It's not a steep bullish structure, but it is a bullish structure nevertheless, and we need to be looking for buys in gold above the 1825 to 1830 level, which are these lows. Now, the indicator that you see on my screen, the gray lines on top and at the bottom of my candles are the weekly highs and the weekly lows. This is the previous weekly highs, and this is the weekly highs before that, before the previous week. These are the previous weekly lows, and these are the weekly lows before that week. So you can see that we are trading inside of that range that we are discussing right now, with the most important part of it being the top of the range around the 1875 level, which are also these lows where buyers in the past jumped in to spike pricing gold up to the 1960 level. So this is quite the important level that we should be watching. Why? Because not only we are printing a flat top on both the previous and the weeks before highs, but we are making higher lows, which means that we are trading inside of a flat triangle. Last week's gold signal hit targets for about 335 pips, if I remember correctly, when we bought gold here, and we had the targets at the previous weekly high, so that's 333 pip winning gold for last week's signal. So if you want to get on our signals, there's a link below this video. You already know the drill. So what we want to do here is we want to look at gold and figure out what to do next, right? So what we want here, because we are printing higher lows, is maybe get a retrace back to a key level around the 1852 or so, but I would much rather prefer a break and retest of this level, of the 1875 level, for us to get long in gold, to get a better risk to reward ratio, right? So prepare yourselves for a breakout in gold to the upside, and to buy the dip on a retest, right? Maybe we will get that. Maybe we will get the chance to buy even lower. In any case, we will be sending that signal to our subscribers. If you want to get that signal, it's only 50 pounds per month. You can get on the VIP team with the link below the video, on the video description. Now, for targets to the upside, we will be looking, of course, at the 1900 level, which has been a very strong level in historic price action. You can see it right here, right? And of course, right here. But I think that if we manage to break, if buyers are strong enough to break with the 1875 this week, the momentum traders that are going to jump in like us on the retest are going to push price past that 19 level, and we should be looking for at least the 1950, which will make for an exciting trade. And a 750 pip trade with a very, very tight stop. So there's going to be a lot of excitement and a lot of opportunities to make money this week in gold. So heads up to that. This is the previous weekly high. And we are still trading. Remember that we are still trading inside of that bullish structure with a bullish breakout pattern inside. Right? If you want to get receive the signals that we send every day, just go below and hit the link to subscribe. Until next time, remember that we do upload videos every single day. So subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you really enjoy or if you get important information out of what we upload. Thanks a lot.